Welcome to Fab Friends 2024, presented by the Grade 4s and Drama for Life, a company from Wits University. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the day's happenings and the learnings of your incredible daughters. But first things first, let's learn about the tools of Friendship Day. We have a tool called Plant Seeds. This is to encourage the girls to plant seeds like confidence and kindness, words of positivity, and a can-do attitude. Planting these seeds now will result in a beautiful plant of kindness or confidence later. Remember to plant these seeds. You will feel the difference as they grow and you grow into a kind, confident friend. Our second friendship tool is Stand Tall. Stand Tall reminds us that we were created for an incredible purpose, that we are confident and that by our body posture alone, we can make an incredible difference to how we feel. Stand tall for what you believe in. Stand tall for the friendships. Knowing that even if your voice quivers, you stand tall and you do what is right. Another friendship tool is Water It Off. As simple as it sounds, it can take a lot of practice. Watering it off simply means knowing that no matter what anybody says or does has got nothing to do with you. People are always going to have an opinion. They're always going to have something to say. And by watering it off shows the ability to stand tall and plant seeds of confidence for yourself. It's easier said than done, but it takes a lot of practice. Water it off, no matter what anybody says or does, has got nothing to do with you, but everything to do with them. Another friendship tool is being flexible, being bendy and open-minded to change, to compromise, knowing that things are not always going to go the way we might have planned, but to be flexible in knowing that we will be okay, that we are God's children and that we will shine and water it off, stand tall because we've planted seeds of confidence and kindness. And yes, it might not always be easy to remember, but we are like the flowers bending in the wind, rising to every new occasion. We are flexible, we are compromising, and we are open-minded. And lastly, shine away. Grade 4s are so brilliant at doing this, but shine away knowing you are worthy just as you are, knowing that you are worthy to be a great friend and you are worthy of great friends. It's also easier said than done, but just remember that you were made for a greater purpose, that you are loved, that you are great enough just as you are to shine away, be the friend God has made you to be.
Welcome to Fab Friends 2024! Fab Friends!
What's your name?
Maria.
Hi, Maria. Can you tell me a little bit what it means to be a friend?
It means to be a friend that you have to have compassion, strength, and you know how to cheer your friends up.
We fail up and nothing. Joey, Joey. Nakalibisa kinolazi. Joey.
Good. Charlotte, tell me, what have you learned about friendship?
I've learned how to make new friends and how to be kind.
Oh, I think you've always been kind. Maybe you've just suddenly realized. Actually, I'm pretty kind. And how are you going to tell me if I need to make new friends? What are you going to tell me? How do I make new friends?
To always be confident and believe in yourself.
Amen. Sharing with your friends. Can you tell me in one word what is friendship to you?
No, go with me.
What's friendship?
Kindness. Including.
Ooh.
Friendship is kindness and being caring. Being integrous and respectful.
Ooh.
Self-worthiness.
Oh.
Helpful. Loyal. To respect other people's boundaries and teamwork.
Good. Can you tell me 3 things you've learned already?
To be kind,
Okay.
to be helpful,
Oh, yes. And?
and to comfort people.
Oh, and have those been things that you've learned how to do? Do you feel confident to do them? If somebody needs a comfort, you'll
Yes.
be able to. Oh, thank you so much. Hello. And who are you?
Amelia.
Oh, Amelia, you are beautiful. What ways are you going to be a good friend?
Observe them and be nice.
Thanks. And how have you found your Fab Friends Day so far?
Amazing.
Amazing. What has been your highlight?
My highlight was the baking competition.
Sir?
The baking.
Did you?
My name is Grace.
Hi, Grace.
My name is Zara.
Zara. Hi, Zara.
My name is Sophia.
Hi, Sophia.
My name is Mr. M.
Hi, Mr. M. Can you please tell the grade 5s any advice that you have on being a good friend?
Well, to support,
To support each other.
and also to not compare each other to other people. Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
Championships 2024. Can I get a round of applause?
My name is Tabi.
Tubby, and Tubby, what are you here for today?
I'm here to spend time with my friends.
To spend time with your friends. What were you hoping for today?
To make new friends.
So far, how's it going?
Good.
Do you feel encouraged to make new friends?
Yes.
Do you feel strong enough to make new friends?
Yes.
That's excellent. Do you have any advice for old people who need to make friends, like me? How can I be a good friend or make friends?
Be who you are.
Tell me, what have you learned today?
How to make a friendship.
Yeah. And can you tell a grade 5 sister, if they were having a hard time with a friend, what's one thing you would tell them?
Don't give up.
Don't give up. That's beautiful. Thank you. Any advice? Are you good? Can you please tell me one thing you've learned today?
How to be kind.
How to be kind. And what one thing would you say to a grade 3 who might be struggling with friendship issues?
I'll say that I'll probably give them a hug and say if it doesn't work out and try and keeping, but if it doesn't work out and stuff like that, try and find a new group.
What was it about today? What's been the best thing so far?
Probably getting to dress Cinderella up and be
You got to
kind
dress
her.
Cinderella up. And
Yeah,
how were
and-
you a kind friend?
Because she was sad that she didn't look pretty, and then we got to help her dress up.
Oh my word! And what friendship tool was that?
It was giving compliments and like standing up tall for yourself.
Standing tall for yourself. Can you stand tall for me? Oh, you're beautiful. Thanks. Any word of advice to girls needing friendship advice?
Yeah, just be like a nice person, then everyone will be nice to you.
I love that. Peace
Our
out.
head, our toes, our toes, our toes, knees, knees, shoulders, shoulders, knees, knees, head, 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 head.